Lesson 3. Good morning. See the picture and write that you see in the picture. One is done for you. ଛବିଟିକୁ ଦେଖ ଏବଂ ଛବିରେ ଯାହା ଦେଖୁଛ ତଳେ ଥିବା ଖାଲି ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଲେଖ। ସ୍କାଏ, ସନ୍, ଟ୍ରିଜ୍, ମେନ୍। 2. Write answer of the following question. ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଉତ୍ତର ଖାଲି ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଲେଖ। A. When do you get up from bed? I get up from bed 6 a.m. B. What do you say to your parents after getting up? I say good morning. C. When do you say good morning? When I get up from bed, I say good morning. D. Whom do you say good morning? I say good morning to my parents. E. Do you say good morning to the sky, the trees and the birds? Yes, I say good morning to the sky, trees and birds. 3. Read the poem and fill in the blanks. ଗୀତଟିକୁ ପଢ଼, ଛାଡ଼ି ଯାଇଥିବା ଶବ୍ଦଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଲେଖ। Good morning sky, good morning sun, good morning little winds that run, good morning birds, good morning trees and creeping grass and blowing bees. 4. Whom does the girl say good morning in this poem? Write the answer around the diagram. One is done for you. The girl says good morning to. ଝିଅଟି ଏହି ଗୀତରେ କାହାକୁ ଗୁଡ୍ ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ କହିଛି? ତାଙ୍କ ନାମଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ଖାଲି ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଲେଖ। The sky, the grass, the trees, the birds, the little winds, the sun. 5. Match the words under A with pictures under B. କଲମ ଏରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ଶବ୍ଦ ସହିତ କଲମ ବିରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିବା ତାର ଚିତ୍ରକୁ ଗାର ଟାଣି ଯୋଡ଼। B. Bird, sky. 6. Solve the crossword puzzle and write the word in the provided. SKY, sky. KITE, kite. Bird, BIRD, bird. Dark, DARK, dark. 7. Match the rhyming pairs and write in the space provided for us. Sun, phone, night, light. Birds, words,